Pines.
Whereabouts?
Ooh, someone's on his tail. Someone's on his tail. He's taking shots at you. I'm gonna try and storm a plane out and get a good turn dive. There we go. I'm on his tail with you. He's smart.
He's gone left. He's pulling up in a left bank.
I just couldn't keep up with it. Diving on him now.
He's in a
He's
low
down low.
left over the river.
Again, it's not a problem.
I think I've totally lost you lot.
Landing on him again. Oh, I think I got a little bit of a spray hit there. Oh, he's lost it again. He's recovered again.
You guys go to the deck.
I'm above you and I just took a couple of hits.
Are you still high?
No, he's low. He's low. He's 2,000 now.
Right, yeah,
Diving.
well, there's another one because I just took hits and I was above you. I'm streaming.
Whereabouts are you? Are you near Alien, that town? So big city.
He's a good pilot, Steve, this guy.
I'm right over the
He knows
city.
when to turn.
I'm right over the city as well.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, we'll be aware there's a...
Yeah, I'm trying to, but he's fucking out turn me again.
Well, there's another one eye as well. If you look up on streaming, so... And he's all over the back of me.
Oh, I think I might have... No, I just missed him. Shit, I put myself in a dangerous position here. Get him. Yes. I set him up. I set him up for you. It's nice, nice. Okay, I'm breaking away. Yeah, I'm breaking away. Am I smoking?
You're close to an airfield if you're over the city.
Yeah, I'm heading back towards, following the river back away from the city at the moment, trying to find them.
Okay, who are you,
I
which
think
one's
I
him?
see him.
Are you the low or the high? He's the low. Yeah, okay, coming on him.
Just go north if you have to land. There's an airfield up there. I see someone low up north of the
I'm
city.
running north and I've got a what's it on me tail. Hurricane on me tail.
Oh, I see a hurricane down here.
Oh, I see.
Be nice if you come and
Oh,
shot.
got a hit on him. I'm
Well,
coming
that
around
was
to
just a
support you.
hurricane that was on you.
I've lost him. Oh, he's down there. Okay, I'm gonna loop up
Can I outrun an hurricane?
You should be able to.
with a dive, yes.
Just watch.
Yeah,
the
he's lost
picture
control.
and
He's lost control. Oh, he's gained it again. But he's got, lies down.
There you got him.
Okay,
Nice
I'm
one,
rejoining with you.
bud. Oh, I see you at last. I see the fireball below me.
Well, there's another hurricane north of the city.
I'm on your tail, dude. Okay, I just need to get my my revs back up to normal.